going on, guys? Steve here, and we are going to be showing you how to install the front and rear links on the brand new Can-Am Maverick R. The tools you're going to need to remove these links are going to be an 18mm wrench, a ratchet, and an impact with an 18mm socket. Once you get the link off, the bottom bolt has a lot of Loctite on it, so it could be a little tough to get off. So you got to use a little bit of elbow grease to be able to get that lower nut and bolt out. But once you get that out and you're able to get the top one off, it's time to install our new link. When setting up your new Shock Therapy Maverick R rear link, how we set it up is we do 3 threads. So for this install, we reuse the rear lower bolt, and we provide you with a new upper. Also, when installing the upper bolt, we want the nut side on the sway bar. Now we can go ahead and tighten. Always blue Loctite your jam nuts or they'll fall off. And then repeat those steps on the other side. And now we're going to install the new Can-Am Maverick R Shock Therapy front link. To get started, you're going to need an 18mm socket on an impact and a 19mm wrench. In order to set up the front link, we do 3 threads on each side. Don't forget, if you don't use blue Loctite, it'll fall off. After you're done installing this side, repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the car.